Hi guys, today I will show you how to make Roohafza milk pudding. I will make two different types of milk puddings. Let's start. A handful of Agar Agar or chaina grass. Add cold water and rest for 10 minutes. Mix. Now add 3 glasses of milk. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Now add the Agar Agar. Stir constantly until the Agar Agar melted. Now add 1/4 cups of Roohafza. Add slowly. Mix. I didn't add extra sugar. If you want, you can add. The color is so pretty. Now transfer the milk into a container. Let it cool. Put into the fridge for overnight. Let's check. Why, it's ready. Now cut around the pudding with a knife. Now flip it carefully upside down. Now design with Roohafza. Now put pistachios on top. Cut, serve and enjoy. Now I start the second pudding. Chocolate rolls. You can use any kind of chocolate. Heat the pan and cook the Agar Agar. Put the chocolate rolls into the tray. If you want, you can break. Add 3 glasses of milk. Now add the Roohafza. Add 2 big spoons of Roohafza. Mix. Ready. Now add the Agar Agar. Now cook until it dissolves. Stir constantly. Now it's ready. Make sure it's a bit cold.
Now transfer the mixture into the tray.
Add pistachios as much as you like. Put into the fridge. Serve and enjoy. Which one you like? Please comment down below. Hope you like it.